Wednesday, February the 30th, and they've got the color on, and now they are polishing it with 400 or grinding it with 400 a little bit. You can see the difference there, that it's really getting smooth. It's pretty amazing. Just to let you see what is going on. You can see what it looks like now. It's kind of strange. First time I've ever seen this, so I'm getting a kick out of watching this. And you'll get a chance to see what this looks like in a while. So I'll fill you in a little later on. Give you a little shot. Put on with a sprayer. And then you give it about 10 minutes to dry. It's been 3 different times. There we go. So I'll be back in a little bit.